Okay guys, so welcome back to another video. Today we've got a Vauxhall Corsa that we're gonna try and do a headlight restoration on. So I've never done this before, so we're gonna give it a try. Well, I say I've never done this before. I've already tried it out on one side. You can see the difference already, how yellow that one is and how clear that one's become. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. And yeah, I bought a little kit from a company called GSF. They sell car parts and other bits like that. It was £12, £11 something, so not too expensive, and obviously it's going to do both lights, so about £5–6 a light. It's not crazy to brighten it up, and obviously if you're looking to sell a car, then having clear headlights just makes it look 10 times better. So worth it in my opinion. So let me flip the camera around, show you guys what comes in the kit, and then show you guys how I did it. Okay, so this is what the difference looks like. That's the after, and that is the before. You can see how yellow that one is and how clear that one is. Got side by side right there. So the kit comes with, this is what the kit looks like. It comes with 3 sets of sanding discs. You've got a little hand sander pad. You also got a little cloth, and you've got a little foam pad as well. Look, like, I'm not going to be using this one because I've got my own pad over there. It also comes with masking tape and some bags to wrap around, and it also gives you a protective liquid to use after you're done. You don't have to have a polisher because obviously they give you everything in the kit with that pad there, but in my case I'm going to use this sponge pad and this dual action polisher I bought from Amazon a while ago. Works well, so yeah, it's done this side really nicely. So yeah, let me set up the tripod. Actually, let me explain what you need to do. So you start with the lowest grit. So we're going to start with 800 grit. We're going to move up to 1200 and then 2000. So 800 grit's really coarse, I think is the word that they use. And then it gets finer as you get along. And that basically eliminates all of the big scratches. And yeah, it's going to haze it up quite a bit. And then one thing that also comes in the kit is the actual polishing compound itself. So you've got polishing paste. You just put this on the pad, and this is the last thing you use to make it all clear. So yeah, we're going to start with 800 grit. We're going to attach it to that this little pad thing here, and then we're going to scratch up the headlight. And then once we've done a good couple of rounds of that, we're going to move on to 1200, then 2000, and then we'll put the polishing paste on and polish it up. Also, I forgot to mention, this does need to be done wet. So obviously make the sandpaper itself wet, and obviously just wet the headlight as well, and then we'll be good to go. Okay guys, so once you've got to about this sort of level where it's all nice and scratched up, sanded down properly, you want to move on to the polishing stage, which is grabbing either the handhold one, or you want to grab if you've got a dual action polisher like this, grab this, put a bunch of paste on there, and then start polishing away. So let me grab the paste, and you literally just want to dab a few bits here and there. And that's it. And then you want to dab that on. And start polishing away. If you do it by hand, it's going to take you a bit longer, but obviously with this, it's not going to take as long. So yeah. Okay guys, so you can already see a massive difference to what the headlight looked like before. Could probably keep polishing it a little bit longer, but I'm going to call it at that. It looks a lot better than it was. And the last step is to just get this liquid, open the packet, and just put it onto a little microfiber cloth and rub it into the headlight. I'm going to do that now. Doesn't seem to be much in there, but rub it in nonetheless. And that is it guys. So that's how to restore the headlights using a £12 kit from GSF. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.